Now let's try to find out the derivative of another trig function, that is sine 2mx times sine 2nx. All right. In this case, we can easily use the product rule because this is working like one function and this is working like another function. But this will be a little bit lengthier. So just like in previous video, let's try to convert this product form into the sum form, into the sum, right? If it is like u times v, then like something, if it is u times v, then let's try to find out something like, let's try to convert this u dot v into the something like a plus b, because if it is in the sum rule, then you can easily find out the derivative of a, derivative of b, but in the product it's a little bit difficult, all right, and lengthy. So let me first suppose that our given function y is sine 2mx times sine 2nx. As I told you in many previous videos, that whenever you're going to find out the derivative of trig functions, you should have the very good knowledge of trigonometry. All right. Now see, it is sine one thing times sine another thing, something like sine a times sine b. And if you use here 2, then it's going to be a formula, you know, that you had learned in trigonometry, that is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. If you're remembering the formula of this trigonometry, that cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is the formula of 2 sine a sine b. So it means we can convert the sine a, like sine a sine b, or you can say the product form, into the sum form. And now it is easy to find out the derivative of this cos a minus b and minus cos a plus b. Right. So what we'll be doing, we'll also try to convert this into the form of sum, exactly like this. All right. So let's go ahead, and for that we need to multiply here 2. We don't have the 2, so what we'll be doing, we'll be writing half times 2 sine 2mx times sine 2nx. All right. So now compare this quantity in this box with this quantity. Right, almost same. So what we can write, that it is equal with half times now cos a minus b, that is cos 2mx minus 2nx. All right, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, that is cos 2mx plus 2nx. All right, so we did exactly, we convert this into the form of, yes, into the form of sum. Now product is converted into the sum, right? Plus minus both are almost same thing, you know, there's no more difference. So 1 by 2. Now what I can write here, I can write cos 2mx minus 2nx. So I can take 2x common, so it will be m minus n, and again minus cos, again I can take 2x common, it will be m plus n. All right. So now we can easily differentiate this. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, yeah, this is our y. So differentiating both sides, we get dy over the dx is equal with, now if it's half is the constant quantity, will come outside, derivative of cos 2x m minus n. All right, with respect to its angle. Angle is here 2x m minus n. So I will differentiate with the same thing, 2x m minus n. All right, and again derivative of 2x m minus n divided by dx. All right, I differentiated the first part. I did the first part. All right, and now let's solve this one. It's the same process again, right? Minus derivative of cos 2x m plus n with respect to its angle. Angle is again the same thing, 2x, but here it is m plus n. All right, and we need to differentiate now angle also, derivative of 2x m plus n. Let me shift a little bit. Okay, with respect to x. Now it's half times, now derivative of cos angle is actually minus of sine angle, and angle is our 2x m minus n, and again derivative of 2x m minus n. X, derivative of x will be 1, and rest of these are constant, so it will be 2 times m minus n, and minus, it is a big bracket. All right, so derivative of cos 2x plus m plus n will be again minus, so minus minus it will be plus sine 2x m plus n, and derivative of this 2x m plus n, x, since it is x, so it will be 1, and rest of these constant, so it will be 2m plus n. All right, so let's write a little bit properly. Our derivative dy of the dx is, now I can multiply by the 1 by 2 to everything, so it will be I'm writing this quantity first, so this 2 and this 2 will cancel up, so I will get m plus n sine 2x m plus n, and since this is minus, now I'm writing, and I'm now entering this half, so this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will cancel up, and I'll get now m minus n sine, let me take a bracket, 2x m minus n. All right, this is our derivative, required derivative of the given question. So this is how it's very simple, you know, just convert into the sum and then find out the derivative. It's very simple. If there is any more confusion while explaining this, then please feel free to comment just below this video. I really appreciate to hear something from your side, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Goodbye.